Hey beauties, I'm back with another video. If you are new here to the channel, I want to welcome you. I'm so happy that you're here. So today I have this cute little makeup look for you, and if you want to see how I achieved it, just stay tuned. So today I want to talk about something other than makeup while I do my makeup. I usually give like some pointers about the products or just a makeup technique. But today I just wanted to talk about something. So I often get addressed by people and they tend to ask me like, what's the special occasion? Why am I waking up and doing the most? Like, why do I put myself together as if there's a special occasion going on? And I noticed that this is something that I don't even really notice anymore, because I decided years ago, maybe a few years back, that I was going to start perceiving my life as the special occasion. Like, each day that I wake up, I have gratitude that my body is working for me. I have people in my life that love me and cannot wait to see me, particularly my children. I get to receive sunshine and have beautiful encounters with people throughout the day. I have no pain within my body. I am at peace within myself, and my family is just happy and healthy. Everyone is doing great. This is a special occasion for me. You know what I mean? Like, this is the special occasion. I have decided that my life gets to be fun at whatever season of life that I am. Like, if I'm going through something, that's okay. I decided that I'm still going to choose to be grateful about the way that my life is going, because us as humans, at any given time of the day, at any given point in life, like, something drastic that could change our lives, like upside down, could happen at any moment. And so for me, I'm just grateful in each moment that my life is going smoothly. I'm happy, I'm healthy, my family's good, the world is good. I pray for people in the world. Like, it's just like, that is the special occasion. I get to have that, and God also helps me by blessing me each and every day with the essentials I need for life. Like, I know we tend to take what people call small things, I call them big things, for granted, like health. The fact that God produced enough oxygen for me to breathe today. Everyone that I know gets to take a deep breath and have no trouble breathing. We have clean air, like water, the things that we need to survive. I have food today that I can put on the table for my family to eat. Like, these are the things that make my life the special occasion. These are things that make it a special occasion for that day. And so this mentality has really just transformed my life. I get to celebrate each and every day. There's so much to celebrate within just being healthy. That is a blessing. Like, I had gotten sick with COVID a few years ago, and it wasn't until I went through that process that I really understood the biggest blessing that there is in just having health and being able to get up and walk, having your body work for you. That's the biggest blessing that there is, and I'm so grateful that my life is what it is. It doesn't matter what's going on in my life. I'm just grateful for the new day, and that is the special occasion for me. So just a quick message. Hopefully this video inspired someone. I want to thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoy this cute little makeup look. This video is a little older, but I realized that I didn't post the full video, so I wanted to go ahead and put that on my channel. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I'll go ahead and let you just watch the rest of the video and check out the look. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.